Meaning of cypress. Cypress. Cypress.
Cypress. Cypress. Cypress is a type of coniferous tree that belongs to the Cupressaceae family. It is characterized by its tall, narrow shape and evergreen foliage, which is typically dark green or blue-green in color. The bark of the cypress tree is often dark gray or brown and is fibrous in texture. Cypress trees are commonly found in wetland areas and are known for their strong and durable wood, which is often used for outdoor construction and furniture making. Overall, cypress is a type of tree with distinctive features and practical applications.